make a little bit of chop for my birds. I'm going to give them some apple. I peel them, wash them, peel them, just a little piece. It's only for now. I got some carrot, and I'm going to give them a little bit of pepper. That should be good enough for now. So just chop them thinly. So I've got some apple. I'm going to use the grater for the carrot. So I grated the carrot. It was a lot easier to grate it than to chop it down. It's nice and thin. I'm going to add them to do 2 dishes, and that way they don't fight over the food and they can enjoy it in the containers. You can just make whatever you have at home. Doesn't necessarily have to be this. Whatever vegetables, whatever food, just add a little bit of each. Even if they don't eat it, just keep trying. Don't give up. Just set it down and see if these guys will eat. You want to try some? What do you think? Piper will probably try it. He tries everything. Here he goes, he sees it.